Even in today's video, we will see how to fix the Pinterest recently viewed not showing recent viewed pins missing. So first, how to fix the Pinterest recently viewed not showing. If your recently viewed pins are missing or not showing up on Pinterest, it is usually caused by app cache corruption and change interference settings or an outdated app version. So the fixed one, use the search bar workaround. So tap the search bar on your Pinterest app, type any random word and press search. Now pull down the page slightly or close your keyboard to reveal a hidden option that says looking for ideas you saved. Then search your pins. Now click search your pins. This will open a dedicated backup screen showcasing your recent viewed folder. Now the fix to clear the Pinterest app cache. So a corrupted temporary data cache will stop your real-time browsing history from saving. So for on mobile app, tap your profile icon. Now tap the setting gear or option menu and then go to privacy and data. Now scroll down and select clear app cache. Now on Android settings, go to your device setting, then click on apps, now click on interest and now click on storage. Then tap the clear cache. Now the fix 3, check refine your recommendation. So Pinterest frequently update its menu names. Your history might not be gone. It might just be under a new menu tab. So go to your profile and open your setting menu. Now look for refine your recommendation or tune your home feed. Now ensure the history or pins toggle is not completely turned off. If disabled, Pinterest stop tracking what you're looking at entirely. Now the last fix, force resync the app. If a software bug has frozen your feed history tracker, perform a quick clean reinstallation. So log out of your Pinterest account, then go to the Play Store and App Store and search for Pinterest app. Now click uninstall and wait for the process to complete. Now restart your phone and reinstall it from the official App Store or Google Play Store. Now log back into the force the platform to resync your account and activity with their services. So goodbye and thanks for watching.